I'm at the phase in my life where I only want the best for me. The best. The best job, the best friends, the best mental health. I want to travel and I want to try new foods and new drinks and I want to try new things. And I want nothing but positive energy and love around me. I've worked so hard on myself and to get here and to commemorate entering this new chapter of my life. This video is sponsored by Confessions of a Rebel, and I'll be wearing their fragrance, Bite Me. This is Confessions of a Rebel, Bite Me, and the name comes from the fruit-forward notes like strawberry and red apple paired with vanilla orchid, jasmine, and golden rum. This gourmand will make you smell sweet and sensual. It's traditionally feminine, but men love it too. This fragrance is perfect for spring and summer because it's long-lasting, it's creamy and sugary with a hint of floral. Confessions of a Rebel is the first ever fragrance brand built in collaboration with over 50,000 American consumers. They are putting the power back into the hands of the people and giving them a voice in the entire development cycle. And as a result, you get a fragrance that is created by you. Confessions of a Rebel blends traditionally feminine notes with masculine undertones and vice versa, and that creates a fragrance that is anything but ordinary. The brand goes straight to the source for ingredients, and the fragrances that they have are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. They also have body products, travel size fragrances, and bundles. So make sure to use my code Devonna to get 20% off of your first order at Confessions of a Rebel. I know it's been quite a while. I think the last time that I was really consistent was December. I was posting quite a few fashion related reels on Instagram, and I was growing at such a rapid rate, faster than I'd ever grown on Instagram, or honestly any platform I think before. So formally, thank you all so much for that. I took a break in December. It was meant to be just like a regular break, maybe 2 weeks, if that. You know, I have my bouts with seasonal affective disorder. I just wasn't in a good space as the months went on, I continued to just not be in a good space. And I've gotten to the point as an influencer where I can't fake it. If I'm not okay, I know people say the cliche things, it's okay to not be okay and everything's going to get better and you got to change your mindset to manifest the life of your dreams and things of that nature. But all the cliche things, they just weren't working. But the very harsh reality is, as an influencer, your personal life and what's going on, it really does dictate the type of professional content you can make. It translates over. And I think for me, I just reached a point where I felt like it was harsh. It was a harsh reality to face, but I felt like I didn't have depth in my personal life, and nothing was going on in my personal life that I felt could translate over into my professional content. I didn't want to make content whining and moaning and complaining. I feel like that is obviously something about myself that has become deep rooted that I would love to get rid of. That's a trait that I strongly dislike in myself. I'm self-aware enough to recognize it, and I know if it's like annoying to me, I can only imagine how it's perceived and how it makes me look, considering it's annoying to me and I'm the one, you know, doing it. I was approaching 29, you know, a few months ago. I've already turned 29 at this point, but as I was approaching 29, I just realized how rough and how difficult, how uncomfortable and eye-opening 28 was. 28, if you know, you know, it's just one of those years where if you're not in alignment, you're going to be forced into alignment because you're going to be so uncomfortable. I was noticing that in like my interpersonal relationships with my parents, with my friends, and with my career. I knew I had to pivot out of the influencer industry full time. It's just not something that was practical or sustainable or made sense for me to continue doing. I feel like I've already cried about this, so I may cry, I may not. I'm very emotional, so we'll see. I have landed a senior level position at a major corporation and I am pivoting into finance. I'm extremely excited about it. I'm so proud of myself. Like I said, I've already cried about it. I've already been like super duper duper excited about it and just jumped up and down and just really celebrated. I'm just really letting it hit me. And of course, thank you for the support, for checking on me, and the concern, the love, the well wishes, the prayers. I definitely appreciate it. I didn't want to try to come on camera and fake like I was okay. I wasn't in a headspace to really conceptualize content ideas. So now, especially, you know, now that I'm a corporate cutie, I think I'm just going to go back to just being a content creator. That's it. I just want to create, and I do want to take myself out to celebrate this accomplishment. So we're gonna get ready for that. Here is my final look, all put together. The top is from, where's this top from? JLook's label. My pants are from my outfit online. My purse is LTL London, and my heels are Misguided. My hair is curled very lightly, and it's pinned. These two pieces in the front are pinned back here, and I just feel very feminine, very soft, very pretty. I feel like I look like a life-size doll. That's like always my goal pretty much. Let me spray fresh layer of Bite Me by Confessions of a Rebel. This is a long wear fragrance. However, I love to like spray it on my neck and my wrists, my arms, even behind my knees. So when I walk by people or when I walk up to people, they can get a good whiff of my fragrance. So I won't be taking this bottle with me just because it's so large, but I will be taking you all with me. So come on, let's go to our celebratory happy hour. Technically, yes, happy hour.